the one and only or nothing. And so let's have a quick room tour. I show you what I like about that room. One of the first thing I spotted, this room has the best equipped minibar ever. That's 3,000 points to the one and only, and we have a second one, 1 second. There's a second compartment with a little bit more if the night should be a little bit longer. There's an ultra soft bed for ultra long nights. The one thing I disagree with is the position of the safe box. It's next to the bed here. I needed 5 minutes to find it, and it's hidden inside here. Darling, where are my cigarettes? And this is our bathroom. I think for this kind of hotel, unfortunately, it's kind of average. We have some amenities though, like these ones from the company Ortigia with a palm tree on it. We will use it later during a bubble bath. That was my little review of the one and only Dubai. Unfortunately, it has a freaking small balcony, but it has a view towards the sunset, a little bit covered by the palm trees now, but you probably can see it still from the nice evening red light coming from there. And of course, it always invites for a little sundowner. Cheers, friends!